Humanity has always looked up at the sky, wondering what's out there. For thousands of years, we could only imagine. But today, we have the technology to explore it. And sometimes, what we find is more surprising than anything we expected. Today, we're going to talk about one machine that changed everything we know about Mars. A machine sent from Earth to another world. Its name is Curiosity. Launched over 14 years ago, this robotic explorer is still active today, moving across the Martian surface, analyzing rocks, drilling into the ground, and sending data back to Earth. It has already outlived its original mission many times over, an engineering masterpiece that continues to reveal new discoveries. For decades, we imagined Mars as the home of aliens. Movies showed us creatures, civilizations, a world not so different from our own. And I'll say something bold. I believe that millions of years ago, Mars may have had life, maybe even more complex than we expect. But today, there is no confirmed evidence of life on Mars, at least none that we have found. And if something does exist, it's probably nothing like we imagine. So what did Curiosity actually discover? What did we really find on Mars? Let's take a closer look. Let's go to Mars. This might be one of the most viral images on the internet. In 2024, NASA's Perseverance rover captured something unbelievable. A formation that looks strikingly similar to a dragon skeleton. At first glance, it feels like a discovery that could change everything. Evidence of ancient life, something that shouldn't be there. But slow down. Let's not jump to conclusions. What you're actually seeing is not a skeleton. It's a natural rock formation shaped by millions of years of erosion. Wind, dust, and extreme temperature changes slowly carve these suhur into shapes that trick the human brain. This effect is known as pareidolia, our tendency to see familiar patterns where none actually exist. And the truth is, we see the same illusions here on Earth. So, disappointed? I'm not here to tell you fantasies. I'm here to show you what science actually tells us.
And now, it gets even more interesting. NASA's Curiosity rover discovered rock formations that look almost identical to coral fossils on Earth. At first, this could mean only one thing. Mars once had oceans, and maybe even life. But wait, let's not jump to conclusions again. Curiosity is not just a rover, it's a full laboratory on wheels. And after analyzing these structures up close, scientists found something surprising. These corals are not fossils. They formed billions of years ago when liquid water carried minerals into cracks in the rock. Over time, the water disappeared, but the minerals remained. Then, millions of years of wind erosion carved them into these strange organic shapes. So what looks like life is once again just geology. But here's the truth. We still don't know everything.
Before we continue, if you enjoy space content, hit like and subscribe. There's a lot more coming. So, what did Curiosity discover next? You won't believe this. In 2024, NASA's Curiosity rover detected the most complex organic molecules ever found on Mars. These are carbon-based compounds, long molecular chains that are considered the building blocks of life. Naturally, you might think, that's it, proof of life. But not so fast. Organic molecules can form without life. They can be created by chemical reactions in rocks, or even delivered by meteorites. Still, their presence is incredibly important because they were found in ancient sedimentary rocks in a region where liquid water once existed. Billions of years ago, this place may have been a lake, and where there is water, there is potential for life. Curiosity is not just a rover, it's a fully equipped laboratory on wheels, drilling into rocks, heating samples, and analyzing the gases released inside. That's how these molecules were detected. And here's the truth. We still don't have proof of life on Mars, but discoveries like this.
There are still many discoveries ahead. Curiosity continues to explore the vast plains of Mars, searching for answers hidden for billions of years. And one day, we may finally understand what really happened to this planet. What makes this even more incredible? This rover was only expected to last 2 years, but it's still working today, still sending us data, still exploring. So how does it actually work? Curiosity is not just a machine, it's a mobile scientific laboratory. It has powerful cameras that act like its eyes. They capture high-quality color images and video, helping scientists study the landscape and navigate the terrain. It also has a special close-up camera that can see details smaller than a human hair, revealing the structure of rocks and dust. On its robotic arm, Curiosity carries tools that analyze the chemical composition of the surface. Some instruments can even fire a laser at rocks, turning them into gas and then studying what they're made of. It also measures radiation levels, helping scientists understand how dangerous Mars would be for future humans. And incredibly, it can even detect water hidden beneath the surface. All of this from a robot millions of kilometers away. And it's still going. This is not a video game, and nothing here happens in real time. We cannot control Curiosity rover instantly. A single command takes about 20 minutes to reach Mars. Then the rover processes it, executes it, and sends the result back. The full cycle can take up to an hour, which means we don't know what's happening right now. We only find out later. And the most incredible part is, while you're watching this video, Curiosity is still out there, driving across Mars, searching, discovering. This small robot proved that Mars once had liquid water, rivers, lakes, maybe even entire systems of flowing water. Then came something even more shocking: methane spikes in the atmosphere. On Earth, methane is often linked to life, and combined with complex organic molecules, the picture becomes even more intriguing. Step by step, Curiosity is bringing us closer to the truth. Mars was once warm, wet, potentially habitable. So what happened? We are still searching for answers, together with this robot, millions of kilometers away. And maybe, very soon, we will finally understand. Follow this channel to discover what comes next.